distance for the Mountain Democrat mini trucks. Tyler Goggin, Paisley Miller on the front row. Thomas Jensen, Howard Miller, row 2. Austin Struthers, Mike Miller from row 3. Fourth row, Paige Miller and Luke Costa. Final row, Bryson Bragg and Brian Tremblay.
16.
Looks like no Tremblay in this one, so we'll go with 9 trucks, 20 laps of distance. Tyler Goggin, and Paisley Miller. Good start off turn 4. Tyler Goggin out to the early lead as they go 3 wide for second.
He was telling us go boss around. Number 28 is on lead.
And Thomas Jensen. Austin Struthers battles to the inside of Paisley Miller.
Trouble. Oh, said nothing got happened.
Through 1 and 2. 4 trucks all there. Down to the inside, battle for second. Here comes Austin Struthers. Struthers slices to the inside of Jensen. 32's got it. Into the 4 laps down. Last time by Mike Miller running 5th. Paisley Miller makes the right-hand turn in the pit area.
Oh, wait. Number 26 out here.
That's time by Howard Miller. Like a very tight truck right now. Looks like last time by Mike Miller even faster. Howard Miller gets swings wide. He's a little set. Sideways and turn. Jaws theme music out right now. We're getting the master truck on the racing and sport, and he's starting to catch the front runners.
Oh, number 28.
Struthers. 0.6 of a second was the lead last time by for Howard in 28. Mike Miller has a lead on third, running Thomas Jensen now. For the third position. Austin Struthers all over the lead. Now off turn 2. Mike Miller jump upstairs, trying to drive around Struthers and now slingshot to the inside. And good stuff now with the mini truck man. They have a fantastic first start feature. This time around we'll be halfway home. Miller moves up into P2.
Number 28.
4 goes to tail. 13 laps down.
Hey, number 28.
Howard Miller trying to get
oh, called off. It's called off.
Down the front straightaway, side by side. Lead. Through 1 and 2. Austin Struthers on the high side. Around Howard Miller. Here comes Mike Miller. Pulling that car right there. Howard Miller, Struthers side by side. 5 to go. This time 9. And now spots in the record books.
Oh, double D! Oh!
Between 1 and 2, red flags no way. Holy smokes, race fans! What do you think about this main event, though?
Oh, it's just
unbelievable. Those top 4 drivers all nose to tail racing between lap trucks has been fantastic. Tough break though for Tom Jensen over there in the 4th corner. Bryson Bragg on his side in between 1 and 2 as we go around on lap 16, still 4 laps to go.